What's up guys, I'm Randall the Reptar, and today we're gonna see how this bad boy looks out on the open road.
If he's moving the camera and there's something right in front of it, it'll seem so much faster than if you had nothing in front of it, and more cinematic. Make it happen.
Spec shoot was absolutely insane. I learned so much today. We really made that Mustang come to life. One of the most important things on a spec shoot is to know your audience, know who you're marketing to, so that way when you release the content, it'll be attractive and appealing to bigger companies that'll want to hire you. The budget on some of these shoots ranges up into the tens and sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars depending on what company you're shooting for, so it's important to always lead with your best foot forward and make your subject come to life. To do that today, we had drones up in the air, secondary shooter inside the car, as well as tertiary shooters on the side of the road and in a follow vehicle to make sure we caught the Mustang from every angle to make it come to life. We're just about wrapping up here today. Beautiful day in Temecula Valley. Thanks for checking us out, and I'll link to Dan and his profile below. Check out the final spec video when it gets released. Until then, stay safe out there.
Hi guys, my name is Daniel Galupo, and on today's shoot I'm actually the actor slash stunt driver in a beautiful blue metallic Mustang.
It's your boy, Zev. We're back. Another day, another shoot.
Hello, I'm Kevin Shunmugam. I'm shooting with a camera.